guys! So here we are again in Disneyland Paris, of course, and where else?
Where else
would you find us?
Yeah.
And in today's video, we're going to give you tips and tricks for the 30th anniversary. Not just one day, but for the entire year.
Yeah.
So if you are here during the 30th anniversary celebration, we will give you some amazing tips and tricks that will help you to make most out of your day.
Absolutely. So come join us, and we hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
So without further ado, let's start the video. Well, you might think, Elisa, what a crazy place just to be standing still here on Main Street. But in reality, this is the best place to be standing still, especially when you would like to see the drone show. Because this exact spot is where you need to stand if you'd like to see Mickey Mouse appearing here behind the castle. It's the best place to see the drone show, and the fireworks, you have to stand a little bit more on Main Street itself. But from here you can also see the fireworks pretty well. Well, last time we were here in Disneyland Paris, we saw the drone show and we absolutely loved it, but we were not standing on the best spot. And you can see it here in the footage that we filmed last time. As you can see, we saw Mickey appearing, but not too well. We could have seen more drones if we would have been standing on this exact spot. So if you are here in Disneyland Paris and you would like to see the drone show, this is the place for you. Something else that is awesome during the 30th anniversary here in Disneyland Paris are the magic shots. And right behind me is one of those magic shot spots. And what is so great about these pictures is that you have to pose in a certain way and a magical picture will appear. Now let's look at the whole process. Have a nice day, bye guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hi.
Just please.
I'm here.
You do this?
Do this.
One like this for the rain.
Okay, perfect.
Well, we have to wait for the results.
Hey! As you can see, it's a very quick process. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. It depends on how difficult the magic shot is. This time it was an easy one. Sometimes you have to act surprised, or you have to, I know, hold your hand like this and balloons will appear. And yeah, it's really fun. So that's the magic shot here in Disneyland Paris. There are several places where you can get the magic shot. Use your app if you'd like to see where you can get the magic shots and have fun. Tonight there will be a Pride event, coincidentally. So today there is this special magic shot, but if you come here on any other day, normally they have 30th anniversary magic shots.
Another 30th anniversary tip for the special show Dream and Shine Brighter here on Central Plaza. The best spot to see the whole show is in the exact middle of Central Plaza, because the 4 stages around me are all in use for the parades with all the characters. From over here you can see the whole show around you, and you also can see all the characters and the floats arrive from Main Street to fan out over all of Central Plaza. But there's another spot, and that's over here. This is another great spot to watch Dream and Shine on, because when it's done over on Central Plaza, all the floats will be coming back to go backstage this way. And yeah, up close and personal, great spot for photos and video.
Tip is one that is so incredibly easy, and still so many people forget it every time again. So once again, in our tips video, we will tell you about the Disneyland Paris app. And this is so incredibly important because you can make reservations for all your restaurants, your dining experiences in that app. When you are in Disneyland Paris and you would like to go to a restaurant, chances are that everything is already fully booked. Even a week, 2 weeks, sometimes 2 months in advance, restaurants are already fully booked. And only the restaurants that are left are probably the ones that you don't want to go to. As soon as you booked your trip, go and download that app and make sure that you make all your dining reservations. Furthermore, in that app you can also see the wait times, you can buy Premier Access. Well, just check it out, download that app, check it out, and you will see that it was worth downloading. And let's not forget about the food, of course. Did you know that there are special 30th anniversary Disneyland Paris snacks that you can find throughout Disneyland Paris? Of course, we had to try a few of them. So let's check them out.
Next tip, be on the lookout for the special 30th anniversary treats. You can find them all throughout the park, in the stalls outside, but also in the restaurants and the fast food areas, like here in the cable car bake shop. And we have beignets, muffins, cookies, and I'm gonna try this chocolate beignet. Ooh, Mickey shaped, I might add. That's size reference. And I see a little bit of chocolate over here, so I'm gonna start over here and see how the chocolate hazelnut filling is. It's a donut filled with chocolate. What can go wrong? Oh, and I forgot to tell you, in the restaurants, especially the buffet restaurants, they have specialty cocktails and desserts for the 30th anniversary. And in addition, we also bought the cookie. So let's try it out. It's a sugar cookie with white chocolate and a little bit of cranberries or some fruit. It's not crunchy, but it's chewy and delicious.
In Studio 1 at restaurant En Coulisses, you can order a 30th anniversary chocolate mousse. Even though the lighting over there is really bad, I hope you get a good idea about this dessert. Well, let's see. What is it like?
Here we go. Chocolate mousse and cake, I guess. So it's layers of cake and layers of chocolate mousse. Very satisfying. So over at these cards we have the special 30th anniversary treats. A huge cookie. Here we have the shortbread cookie in Mickey or Minnie shape. The popcorn bucket. And over here we have the giant cookie. Look at that, it's humongous. So, wow. So, at least for reference, it's big.
Would you like to see more snack reviews? Check out this video. You can click on the card that will appear right now in the screen. Well, this advice is something that your wallet is not going to like. If you see something that you like from the 30th anniversary merchandise, we highly recommend you to buy it immediately. Don't wait, don't think about it, because the moment you turn away, it's gone. The ears, we just saw them being restocked, but I am sure that in maybe an hour, 2 hours, they will be gone. So if there is something that you really like, buy it. Also the t-shirts, for example, we don't see them here at all. No Spirit jerseys, no t-shirts. So if you see something, buy it. If you're having doubts, you can always return your stuff. So don't worry, just buy it. And another advice we can give you for the 30th anniversary is to buy yourself a coin. And I don't mean those very expensive coins that you can get only in one certain day, where you have to wait 3 hours in a queue to get that one coin that is so special. Now, I'm talking about the coins from the dispensers in Disneyland Paris, and they have a special 2022 version.
Yeah,
and it's not right over here.
Yeah, it doesn't say the 30th anniversary, but at least it's
2022. And everybody knows that's the 30th anniversary, so you cannot go wrong with that. And what will it set you back for? €3.
Yeah.
And it is fun too.
Yeah, and you can pay by coins or by card with the...
In fact, I'm going to do it right now.
Okay.
It says patience.
Yeah, accept.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
That is actually really gorgeous. Wow, that is so pretty. I love it. Oh. Yay!
Cool.
That's so cool. Wow, that was a good tip, right? Good advice.
If you're looking for a souvenir different than a plushie or a toy or the mandatory pen, have a look at Arribas Brothers Glassware. And you can find that location here inside the castle and here in Liberty Arcade, where you can find glassware and jewelry. So let's have a look inside.
Arribas France offers a brand new jewelry collection designed exclusively for the celebration of the 30th anniversary of Disneyland Paris. This collection is inspired by the Gardens of Wonder located around the Sleeping Beauty Castle. You can find this collection throughout Disneyland Paris. At Merlin the Enchanter in Fantasyland, which is located in the Disneyland Castle where we are right now. At Harrington's Fine China and Porcelains in Main Street, USA, and Disney Junior Fashion in Disney Village.
If you're lucky, then you can see the artists here at work making their magic with the molten glass.
Well guys, this was a video filled with tips and tricks and advices that we could give you about the 30th anniversary here in Disneyland Paris. And we hope it was really useful for you.
Yeah, so if you're planning to come to Disneyland Paris for the 30th anniversary celebration this whole year, like Lisa said, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for other videos and that notification bell. And if you want to have even more, consider becoming a Patreon, because every month we'll have a Zoom chat for all our Patreons.
Well, with that being said, thank you so much for watching.
And maybe next time we'll
see you in Main Street. Bye!
Guys, you're still here? You know, video is over. I'm just shopping, browsing. One day. Well, not now, but as I said, video is over. Time to go home. Abschalten. Tschüss, Wiedersehen. Tot ziens. Goodbye. See you next time. Yeah? So, go.